Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Primitive data types of Java language. Primitive data types of Java language. In Java, we have 8 primitive data types. 8 primitive data types. They are one. They are 1 byte, short, 3 int, 4 long, 5 float, 6 double, 7 char, 8 boolean. These are 8 primitive data types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, character, boolean. If we define primitive data types as an instance variable, then without initialization, if we define primitive data types as an instance variable without initialization, then default initialization means 0. Default initialization means 0 would be done by compiler at compilation time. Now I am taking one example on primitive data types. Class pdemo1, open bracket, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean bo. Every primitive data types we should write variable. Value is assigned to variable. Public static void main string auxiliary. Main method is used to execute our class. Every program contains main method. Okay, now I am creating object pdemo1 p1 equal to new pdemo1. This is object. See this diagram. In RAM, to load non-static members, we use object. pdemo1 object is created and assigned to reference variable. Using that reference, I am accessing this non-static members. p1.b default initialization for byte 0, short 0 into 0, float 0.0. System dot out dot println p1.b. System dot out dot println p1.s. Copy, paste. Byte, short, int I, long L, float F, double D, char C, ch, boolean bo. Close class. Save file, save. I'm saving in D drive pdemo1.java. File save pdemo1.java. Saving in pdemo1.java. File name is pdemo1.java in D drive. Save. Save. Go to file location. See, I have saved in D drive. Go to file location. Type cmd in the search bar to open console command prompt. Type cmd to open console command prompt. C1 command prompt is opened. Now I am compiling my program javac pdemo1.java. See, no compilation error. Java pdemo1. I am executed my program successfully. I got default initialization for byte, short, int, long, float, double character below. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.